Hello everyone!
I'm Teacher Aika.
And I'm Teacher Janine. Welcome to QUIZPERIMENT!
Why is it called QUIZPERIMENT?
Oh, because this portion is about quizzes and experiments.
Quizzes and experiments?
Mm-hmm.
For who?
Oh, it's for outlet level kids and older.
Sounds great.
Yes.
But science experiments are hard because we don't have science equipment at home.
That's not a problem. We can use simple items we can find in our homes.
What's that sound?
It's a warning. Please be careful and make sure an adult is with you while doing the experiment to avoid injuries or accidents.
Whoa, that's a little bit scary. So please stay safe.
Mhm.
Today, we have an experiment and quiz in one, entitled Sink or Float.
Here's how we will do it.
We will show you different objects, and you just have to guess if the object will
Sink
or
or
float.
when you place them in water. Okay, so now let's gather all the materials that we need. First, prepare a basin and fill it with water. Next, get the items that you can find around your house. Please make sure not to get your mom or dad's smartphones.
Okay, children, so please make sure that mommy or daddy is with you when you do this experiment.
Yes. Here, what we can find around us are one pencil, a clothespin, a block, a paper clip,
A toy dinosaur, a toy egg, a ball, a balloon, and a cork.
True. So, let's
Let's start.
with our straw. Will this straw sink or float? What's your guess? Can you tell mommy and daddy your guess? Are you ready? I'm gonna put it in the water now. 3, 2, 1. It floats! The correct answer is the straw will float. How about our next item?
How about our toy egg? Do you think it will sink or it will float? Think about it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we see that the egg floats.
Look at my clothespin. Here it is. Do you think it will sink? Or do you think it will float? Can you guess? Let's try and see what the answer is. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It sinks! Wow!
Now, it's the time for our mighty little dinosaur. Do you think it will sink or it will float? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. There you go. It floats.
Wow! How about this pencil? Do you think the pencil will sink or float? Can you make a guess and tell your moms and dads? Ready? 3, 2, 1. It floats!
Now it's time for us to test the paper clip. It's very tiny and very light. Do you think it will sink or it will float? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. There you go! It sinks.
Oh, wow! And how about this block? This wooden block is a little bit heavy. But do you think it will sink or will it float? Can you make a guess? Ready? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. It floats!
Next is our ball. Now it's time to make a guess. Will it sink or float? 1, 2, 3. There you go! It floats!
Wow! How about our cork? This cork is very light. But I cannot make a guess if it will sink or float. And by the way, this is our last item. So you better guess it right. Let's try it now. 1, 2, 3. It floats! And that's all. Let's take a look. You wonder what causes these things to sink or float? Simple. It is because of how each item is made of. In science terms, it is called density. Density tells us how the items are closely or loosely packed inside. Example, the plastic ball has air inside, so it is less dense. Therefore, it will float. Same goes with the dinosaur toy and the straw. But the paperclip, with no air inside it, the whole folded wire has a tight composition of just thin metal. That is why it will surely sink. Same goes with the clothespin. This concept needs to be experimented more for you to know if something is less dense or not, if it will float or sink.
And that's the end of our experiment.
How many correct guesses did you make? We hope you had fun and at the same time learn from our experiments. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye!
Bye-bye!